Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and stay at home. I'm your SST teacher. Students, I hope now you all have your own summer pack. And today we will do the work of SST. That is very interesting. But firstly, we have to discuss the some points. You have to sit properly for doing the work. Use table and chair. And you have to take care of your things. You have to take care of your summer pack. You have to do very neat work on it. Don't turn the pages and tear them. Okay? And today we will do the page number 32, 33 and 34. Okay student, first you have to color this picture, and the first topic that we have the packing of a journey. That is an activity. Students, imagine that your family is moving to a new place and you can take only one bag. What's the necessary things you will put it in your bag? It's your choice. You have to draw that items or you have to write the name of these items inside the bag. Next topic we have is means of communication. It is known as the tools and technology which facilitate for exchanging ideas, information between the people of different places. Here we have the example of some different means of communication like letters, telephone, radio, television, mobile, newspaper, etc. These things are invented by some people, like radio is invented by the Marconi, telephone is invented by the Graham Bell. You have to discover all these inventors' name and you have to solve this page. It's your choice. You have to draw the picture or you have to paste a picture of these means of communication. And in the below side, you have to write the name of these inventors. Next topic is be a reporter. That is very interesting topic in which you have to take an interview of your favorite person. That can be a family member or that can be your friend. Okay students, if you have any question you can ask from me. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.